Hey guys, welcome to Braxton's World. Today we're doing a little bit of an unboxing video of something very large here. So let's go outside and do this because it's touching my ceiling. So it turns out that it's like really wet outside and I'm not trying to get any of the camera equipment messed up, so let's go back inside. Also, say hello to Shadows. It's my pup. Hey Shadows, hey, look at the camera. Okay, hey guys, I am back. We went inside. Darren showed up from 9 Circle, so he's gonna join us in this part of the unboxing video. It is a 2-cam unboxing video. We're gonna try that out, but let's start this unboxing.
Did you show him this ridiculously long tube?
Well, not the tube, it's full.
Look at this thing. Hold up. Look.
It's touching the walls there, by the way. It's still going.
Look at this.
It's still going.
Look at this.
It's touching the wall. It's just. I don't even know how to like.
Right.
That way. Let's try to open it. This is very Oh, never cut towards yourself, guys. Not smart. Just open it. Shadow, you're interested too, aren't you?
Where did you buy it or what company?
So I got it from Dick's, but I'm gonna turn this around actually because I want to grab it in the butt and not the top of the rod. Got it from Dick's, and it's a St. Croix rod. You know how much I wanted a St. Croix rod, so I got one. It is the Bass X model. Got it on a little bit of a sale, I think. Alright. I'm glad they came in some like packaging to keep it from like breaking.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I apologize.
I almost died. Fishing rod out. It's a pretty long fishing rod. Yeah, there we go. This is it right here.
Look at that.
It is a very large fishing rod.
Take it out of the plastic see so you can get a little better look at it.
Ooh, it's really light. I like how light it is. It feels very fragile compared to my other one.
No, for real. Don't think you're up.
It feels very, very fragile compared to my other rod.
Which is kind of a good. Oh.
Yeah. Up. Phone but it died. It's on 20%. Alright. But the other rod that I have is some like, I think it's like a Michael rod? Mitchell, something like that. My friend Liam found it in a river and gave it to me, so
That's what friends do.
yeah, it was pretty legit. It's a nice rod. Can't complain. Oh, that's like wrapped down there. Came really nice packaging, to be honest. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. This is a nice looking rod. It's a 6/8 medium, extra fast. It's the St. Croix rod Bass X. It is, according to Bass Resource and a whole bunch of bass forums and like reviews and stuff, this rod is one of the best rods out.
You catch some big ones
For the price range. But yeah, I think that concludes our 2-camera unboxing for Braxton's World.
Now he's about to go get some big ums, some tickums,
yeah.
what are some other words for big fish?
Slaunches, toads.
Oh yeah, all those.
Dinner plates, you know. But yeah, I will be releasing a video fishing with this either today or tomorrow. So look forward to that. And thank you for watching. Comment down below, drop a like, and subscribe. And also subscribe to his channel too.
Oh yeah.
It's Darren Tanaka.
Darren Tanaka or a Fighter in Peace. You'll find me in either one.
Yep, so